Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Let's see how we can create this present slide. This is one of the annoying one that I created, but you see it's kind of worth it. As you guess, it's look beautiful, but some of you may ask why from here to here is look like this, but from here to here look like this. Do you have any guess? Okay, if you don't have, let's try to create this. At first, these slides have nothing special. You all know, understand how we create them. But for reviewing, let's create one of them for you to understand better. At first, let's try to create this slide. Okay, how we create this is simply format the background and paste our picture from here. And after pasting our picture, wow, the picture is already here. And after pasting the picture, this shape we created is important. How we create this, we crop our real shape, you see here, and then after cropping our real shape, we set the sharpness to -100. You see, it takes a little time for some systems. Because of that, I do it in the previous and set the sharpness to minus. You see the picture is in the back. After putting the picture, we put the picture here, and then this effect is created. These are the overdrive sunsets, and from the shape format we use this shape format. I think you can change each one of them if you like. And this house is inserted from the icons. I don't know why it's not giving access to my PC, but use icons for them. And then everything is being created. Okay, now we create the three slides like this here and paste them here. We are going to use the slide already here. And the important thing is that how we create these effects. It's the easy one. If you click on the image, you understand there are not images. What are they? We from the insert a zoom, summary zoom, and add this three slide here, and then just simply copy that and paste them here. You see there are summary zoom. We use the zooms for creating them. Now let's see how we create the effect. We just simply go to Smart Art. In the Smart Art we have many options we can use. You see one of them we use in this presentation, and let's see if we can find anything better, or we are going to just simply use the thing that we used in the past presentation. Okay, I don't think we can find anything better, but let's go by this thing for now for a little more change. And I don't know, I think let's do it. And after that we just simply need to delete this text. Okay, delete them, and we put New York here. That's good. Let me just put it in the background. We need to delete this text and put Rome here, and London here. London. Okay, everything is created. Now we need to put the pictures in the places. For that we just simply need to do more spacing here a little, and then delete these things. We don't need them. Maybe they are looking beautiful, but if you can't, try to delete them. It's not just giving me permission for that. Okay, it's not important. We are going to put this thing on top of them, but for that we need to increase the size of your group zoom, and then reduce this thing size to something like this. Then let's go and try to put them back. It's just a little dirty work, but it's ended soon. Let me just put it here. Okay, it's good. Now let me just increase it in size. You see, it's increasing from all words. It's for New York, it's for London, and it's for Rome. Okay, Rome is a little. Let me just fix the spacing. Okay, I need to ungroup them if I can. I don't know if I can or not. Okay, let's send them back for now. Just I need to fix the spacing of these things. One space. Okay, it's good. Now let's change the color. Sorry. Let's change the color. This thing to this color. This thing to this color. And this thing to this color. Now select all the shapes and go to, no, sorry, I can't select all of them. Let's select the text. Let's select the text and set the font to Overdrive Sunset. Overdrive Sunset. Oh, sorry, I delete the font. Set it to Overdrive Sunset, and the last one also to Overdrive Sunset. Okay, everything is ready. Now let's bring back the zooms. You see, this shape is a little smaller than the previous one. We need to fix it. I think it's look better. It's take a time to fix them, but it's not important for now. Now set the transition to morph. Now let's see how it looks like. You see, it's pretty amazing and good looking. You can use it, but some of you may ask why it's not working like that, because we created two summary zoom. If you don't create two summary zoom, the effect is going to work, but it's pretty amazing. You can zoom in and zoom out. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments.